Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your favorite kitchen, your one and only original meal cooking channel in Ghana and beyond guys. I'm super excited as always to bring to your doorstep another sumptuous, healthy and mouth-watering food recipe. And I know you can't wait to try this amazing recipe. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get it started. So guys, on today's menu, I will be taking you through coconut oil preparation. Let's begin by cracking our coconuts, separating the coconut water from the flesh and shelf, as you can see on your screens. Repeat the process until you are done. After separating the coconut flesh from the coconut shelf, I will be washing away every dirt from my coconuts, as you can see on your screen. Wash it very well and cut it or break it into very small pieces to allow easy blending and smooth blending as well. So I've transferred it into my blender. I will be adding water, good amount of water, and blend till it's smooth and fine. After smooth blending, I will be separating the chaff from the coconut milk with the help of my fine strainer. As you can see, very fine strainer. If you don't have this kind of strainer at home, you can use a cheesecloth. It also works perfectly. So squeeze the coconut milk out of the chaff very well. Rinse the blender and sieve that one as well, or strain it as well. Nothing goes to waste, guys. The way things are expensive on the market, Charlie, you have to make good use of every single thing, because right now things are so expensive. So this is my coconut milk after straining, as you can see on your screens. Very clean, very clear, very fine, smooth, very nice, guys. So the next thing is to cover it and put it aside for 3 good days. So get a very clean and good place so no one will disturb it, and allow it to ferment for 3 good days. So this is day 1 of fermentation. As you can see, the cream has separated from the liquid. This is day 2, and this is the final day, that is day 3 of fermentation. So guys, we will be opening it. So guys, that is it. It has fermented very well. Let's take a close look at it. I will be separating the cream from the water. To allow easy separation, I need to put it in the refrigerator to allow the cream to harden a little bit, as you can see. So this is from the refrigerator. I will be poking into my cream with my ladle, as you can see, to separate the cream from the water, the coconut water. So I'm transferring it into my fry pan or clean saucepan. You can also use the fermented coconut water for pedicure and manicure. Guys, you will love it. It's very good. You can try that out. Turn on the heat to allow this to fry on a low heat to prevent it from burning. So family, after continuous stirring for some time, your cream and curd crystallizes, separating from your oil, as you can see. So at this point in time, I will be turning off the heat to allow it to cool down, then transfer it into my clean container. So guys, this is the coconut oil preparation, step by step. It's simple as ABC. After cooling down, this is my coconut oil, very pure virgin coconut oil, clean and clear. So I'll be separating the chaff from the oil with the help of my strainer, as you can see, very fine strainer. This is my virgin coconut oil, as you can see. So beautiful. Smells very good, guys. You would love it if you try this amazing recipe at home. You're going to thank me later. You can also use this as a pomade. Very fine, very smooth. It's very good for your skin, especially my dark people. Look at it, so beautiful. This is so nice. Try it out and you'll thank me later. The crystallized cream and curd also can be used for skin scrub, as you can see. Let me know if you are interested in the coconut scrub recipe, so I bring it on this amazing channel. Guys, look at it. It feels so good. Very good. This is my hands after washing it off. Feels so pure, clean, smooth. Feels so good. Gives you this bright skin. Guys, try it out. Thank you so much for watching my video from the beginning to the end.